going on? It's Dave from Luxury Shine Detailing. We have a student's car that's learning PPF right behind me. We're teaching him disassembly on his vehicle and to get into all the curves, and as well as how close do we get to the scoop before we put it on, just to make it look all seamless. We wrapped all the edges. We're teaching him the mirrors, and he's almost good to go. He spent 3 days here. He pretty much did this full front end almost by himself already, because we have a one-on-one instruction going on here. And I'm pretty stoked because when you teach someone a good skill like this and they can do it on their own, that means we're doing something pretty damn good. So it's a 2023 Integra Type S, and now it's a full front end PPF. All right, so we have right beside me a very good client of ours. He does paintings in people's houses, and he likes his stuff looking amazing. And you can imagine that he'd be very critical to us detailing his truck. This is actually a 2013 Toyota 4Runner, and he comes here almost every 3 weeks, I would say, to get his car cleaned up. He does have a German Shepherd that makes a disaster inside this car, but you know, we all love our dogs, but we also love our cars, and we want to maintain that. We have a very dirty G-Wagon right beside me. As you can see, the salt is just destroying these cars. This year has been the year of snow so far. Trucks out there have been spraying salt everywhere. So all our cars look like a disaster. This one, I think we're doing a mini revival, which is gonna give it a deep clean inside. We'll remove all the salt stains, condition all the interior, and give outside a thorough hand wash and get this truck ready for the road.